Meet two people having fun, and meet the fun they're having. Yamaha, the world's most modern sports cycle. The fun way to go, with a new kind of freedom that puts zest in your daily life. Yamaha. Don't confuse it with other two-wheelers. Yamahas are engineered for safety, thrift, and spirit. Glide along with traffic or climb the toughest trails. Yamaha, built for action with big waterproof brakes, a 4-speed gearbox, and potent rotary valve engine. Models for mountain trails or city streets, and always for fun. Put yourself in the Yamaha picture.